All right, welcome back to the 10K Yuj Tarot. This is a universal 3-card reading for past, present, and future. So let's go into what is needed. The inner child is first, the path chooser is second, and third we have Om Mani Padme Hum. All right, so let's start with the inner child, because if you're a human on this earth, then you were a child at one point in time, if you're not a child now. So this is something that in the past we have experiences growing up, experiences from our family, how we used to act and our habits, and where we learned things from, whether it was at home or at school. So that really impacts how we make decisions through life. In the middle, you have the path chooser, which is every single moment you have the ability to choose where you want to go. And you always have that power within. So life is about knowing that you have the strength and the ability to create your life and choose where you want to go. Now there's more in-depth meaning to each card. So the deeper meaning of this is, if you look at the head here and then the white aura coming off, this is the knowledge and everything that the path chooser has learned from the past to make the decisions to move forward, either in expanding who they are or continuing on with the habits of the past that hold them back. So this is for every person to know that you have been affected by things. It's your choice now what you do with your life. And Om Mani Padme Hum, compassion, really opening up that heart, expanding that mind and that consciousness to really feel fulfilled and attain anything that you want, whether it's wealth or love or happiness. You have to attain it within yourself first. So choose the path within. 10K Yuj Tarot. Many blessings to everyone.